Hello, my name is Logan, and today I'm presenting our CSS animation, a virtual desktop. And this animation was created by myself, Andrew, and Kazu. We had an idea that we should split up the work into three parts. So Andrew had an idea of moving mouse cursor around the desktop, and we developed this idea into a virtual desktop. I created the loading page, and Kazo completed our login page. So let's begin by showing our animation. Our CSS animation comprises of three main dips are set to width and height of 100% to covered page. Our loading screen contains two animations. The first is a loading bar. To create the effect, we started by creating a class loading, in which we set a transition or 500 millisecond is. Next, we created a load animation, changing the width of our load bar from 2 to 10%. When our load bar is finished at 7 seconds, our login screen dip changes its opacity from 0 to 1, making it visible. In order to coincide this with our loading bar completing, we set an animation delay on this. Next, we took a cursor image and began animating it. To this, we added an animation delay and a duration, and created an animation named Simple Animation.
Studying you.
Within Simple Animation, at 25% we move the cursor to the first box, and at 50% we move the cursor down another 95 pixels to the second selection box. The next animation in this step is our text. To this again, we set an animation delay, and we use the steps animation to create the effect of typing, in which we defined number of keyframes and direction. We repeated this for the password field. Next, we arrive to our desktop animation. As with the last step, we set our opacity to change to 1, and set an animation delay so it appears as the login closes. Once again, we have animated our cursor to appear to open our desktop icons. To do this, we created another animation called Simple Animation 2, and changed our values at 20%, 80%, and 95%. we have three main windows which we want to open: a terminal, our image, and a video window. To make this pop up again, we change opacity and use an animation delay to time these windows opening with our cursor animation. We use the steps animation again as we did previously on our terminal window. The final animation on this page is our video window. We created an animation called spin to rotate 360 degrees and set a 4-second time on this. Once again, a delay has been set to coincide with our cursor clicks. This is how we create our CSS animation. Thank you for watching.